last night I didn't really get any sleep, which means Glenn didn't really get any sleep.
And why?
But, okay, first of all, there was a mosquito in the room. You can hear it. I know it's here. I'm gonna kill it. Mama got the mosquito. Second of all, the aircon was so cold, so I turned it off. Then I turned it on. Then I turned it off. It's cold.
No, it's for.
The aircon is really cold.
Then put the f***ing aircon off.
No, I think it's really hot. And then the third part was that before we went to bed last night, we were like petting James. It's this little cute puffy dog.
How do you know his name?
I just named him.
Ah, okay.
And
James.
and he followed us down to our hut. It was like really so we didn't really sleep.
Anyway, we will have some breakfast now, and then we will take a bus. No, first a taxi to the bus station, where we will take a bus to ERAWAN Waterfalls. Nice.
Yeah.
Cool.
Bus terminal.
See you. Bye.
Yes, 8:55.
Yes.
ERAWAN. Yes. How much for two?
200 baht.
200 baht.
No, 100 baht.
Oh, 100 baht.
Yeah.
For two. Okay, perfect. Kapukap.
Okay. Good. Thailand.
I cannot do it. I have a camera, but
Okay, you give me. Oh, okay.
good. Better? Yeah, you do better, but I'm learning. Okay. Went pretty easy taxi fix, easy ticket fix, and I guess we have to wait.
Sit there.
Sure. Nice. Alright, so here we are at Erawan Waterfall and National Park. After 1 hour and a half, 2 hours bus drive. Was it comfortable?
The road was good, the bus was not.
But it was classic Thailand, classic Asia bus.
It was classic Asia. You were sitting like this for 2 hours.
And as you can see, there is 7 layers. First layer.
Called way for England.
Nice. Sorry, Cecilia, we ain't getting food today.
We just took a dip. It was so lovely.
No, you didn't. You liar.
Then it's just wet, I guess.
It's body juice.
It's really hot and moisty and mosquito paradise, but it's really worth the hassle. We don't know what dangers await us around this corner.
Perhaps the mountain troll.
It's a little bit slippery. Okay, go. Saving Private Cecilie. It's not that bad.
Like Indiana Jones.
It looks very easy, but try doing this with a 1,500 euro camera in your hand.
Well done. End of trip.
I thought I would be the only person to get to the end of the trail,
I was
as hard as it was, and now you see these kids that are like, what, 7 years old?
They seem to be not tired at all.
So I put the camera back in the bag to do the climb down because it was a little bit too dangerous because of, ooh, see, I almost fell. And now we are going to take a swim at the waterfall number 5 or somewhere in between. It's her favorite apparently.
I already went for a swim.
Don't be afraid of the fish. Never knew fishes like pig meat, but apparently they do. We are going back to Kanchanaburi now, and then we will call it a day. Because we didn't sleep last night because of the mosquito and problem here.
The aircon
Aircon mosquito problem.
and the dog.
And the dog. So